start scrapping them during World War II. So they would take like, they go to your town common and they'd be like, we're going to scrap these guns, we need the bronze. And then after the war was over, they gave guns to people.
Okay.
So these are lucky that they weren't scrapped.
Excellent. Yep.
We'll get it loaded. We'll have the lint stock. You stand outside the wheels, touch the two things together.
You're good to go.
No remote control?
No remote control, no. If you want to do remote control, we have remote firing. It's much more fun to kind of get a little close to it.
Actually,
A lot wouldn't be possible without them. And Military History Expo. These guys, let's hear it. I'm Mayor Steve DiNatale. Happy birthday, America, and good morning, Fitchburg.